Listen, are you a U.S. business owner tired of losing more than half of your income to the government every single year in taxes? Well, my name's Madison, and I can help you pay yourself that exact same amount and still write it off just like you would a top line Section 179 deduction, dollar for dollar. Now, keep on watching this video. If you have 0 to 100 employees, you need more deductions, you have a tax burden come end of the year, you want to keep more of what you make, and you cash flow 100K or more gross. Overall, not net, gross revenue annually. And you want to see a change today. Now, you're probably wondering, who is this girl and why should I listen to her in the first place? Well, here's why. Over the last 40 plus years, my company and I have helped over 100 business owners and farmers save over $13 million in taxes. And because of this, we are the leading most experts on business tax planning and strategy. I have also helped hundreds of clients with no financial plan, a great deal of lost opportunity costs, debt, and zero savings completely redirect their financial trajectory, helping them establish a consistent savings plan, make up for lost time and interest returns, and pay off all of their debt. Now, the thing that we have done that's helped hundreds of people completely redirect their financial future and save millions of dollars in taxes lies within what's called the Wealth Keeper Plan. And the Wealth Keeper Plan really just consists of 3 different things. Number 1, we set up a trust which holds and protects your plan, assets, and business. Number 2, the plan purchases life insurance to preserve your estate and act as a zero-risk financial vehicle, and this is key. And the third thing that no one else can provide, which we offer, is a fully guaranteed pension plan, which makes sure that you pay yourself instead of Uncle Sam. And this is the trifecta which makes up the Wealth Keeper Plan. Here is an example of a person we helped do just this last year. Mike from Tennessee wrote a check to the IRS for $125,000. But after we set up his Wealth Keeper Plan, we filed an extension to the IRS and he received $125,000 back in the form of a reimbursement check. Now that same money that would have been lost to the government and unable to work for Mike now provides him 10% interest return every single year. And all of this is 100% legal. And let me show you. I actually have a screenshot here directly from the IRS website. You see it's just copied and pasted right from the site. You can go look it up yourself. But here are the pros and cons of this plan, which I have already gone over and will continue to go over. It's right there. You can see it for yourself. Substantial benefits can be provided and accrued within a short period of time. That's referring to that interest rate of return that I just mentioned. Talks about how you can deduct more in this plan than any other retirement plan. And nobody actually knows about this except for us. So now you know that without the Wealth Keeper Plan, you are losing unnecessary dollars to the IRS every single year, wasting the opportunity of interest returns by just giving away those tax dollars. Just give them away. Here you go. And sending yourself back years financially. And all because you simply didn't know. Most people don't know about this. We talk to CPAs all the time. We work with lawyers, attorneys. They have no idea what this plan is because it's hidden within the weeds of the IRS tax code. Let's talk about your options now moving forward. Well, 1, you could do nothing. But you and I both know that if you made it this far in the video, you are not going to just do nothing. Because much more of this doing nothing is just going to keep losing you money. And it's as simple as that. And I'm sorry if that scares you, but you need someone to tell you that according to ZipRecruiter, not just from me, this is a verified site, verified statistic, that from ZipRecruiter, as of August 2024, the average business owner in the United States loses over half of what they make to the IRS every single year. And that's not very incentivizing for business owners. I don't sit there and say, I want to make more money just simply to pay the IRS more money. And you can see that here in the 2024 tax brackets that most business owners, the average business owner, falls within this 22 to 24% tax bracket. So not only are you paying 24% of your income tax, you're also paying 15% self-employment tax, you're paying 12% Social Security tax, and 3% Medicare tax. This is real, this is what's going on. So for the average business owner, that's over $50,000 come year end. And again, the more you make, the more you pay. And so it's very de-incentivizing to improve and progress. However, In 1930, there was a Supreme Court ruling under Helvering versus Gregory, where the judge, learned hand, said, anyone may so arrange his affairs that his taxes shall be as low as possible. He is not bound to choose that pattern which will best pay the treasury, the government. There is not even a patriotic duty to increase one's taxes, meaning you are not obligated. We believe you are going to do better with the money than the government will. That is what we do. We allow you to pay yourself instead of the government legally. Now, the second thing you could do is you could go out there and you could try to do this all on your own. But the problem is that means you need to get a CFP license, a life insurance license, a JD, an actuarial license, a CPA license, and file all of the extensive, tedious IRS documents every single year, understand the tax code, know what you're doing, how to do it, on top of everything you already do as a business owner. And let's be honest, you already have a lot on your plate. Nobody else does what we do, and we have it all in one stop. The third option, you could work with me. And what I will do for you, what working with me looks like, is I will help you through this plan legally pay $0 or close to $0 in taxes in accordance with the IRS tax law. I will help you make as much as you want without being confined to tax burdens or limited by government standards. I will help you defeat inflation with compound interest and a 0% floor, which means you don't lose any value on the money that you put into your plan. I will help you and make sure you own and control your retirement and legacy plan, this plan that allows you to deduct what you make from the taxes at the end of the year, which means that you do not partner with the government and otherwise owe them a cut of the pie, as well as determine how and when your funds are used. You have complete and total control and ownership over this plan. I will help guarantee that you never run out of money for your business, retirement, or the future, because everything in this plan is guaranteed. We are obligated by IRS tax law to make sure that this is a guarantee. This is one of the lowest risk options that you can utilize for yourself and your business. I will make sure that you take yourself from income tax to capital gains tax bracket and have your money make you money instead of making the government money. Now, if you are someone who wants to save in taxes and pay yourself instead of Uncle Sam, the next thing you have to do is click the button below and book a one-on-one demo call with myself so I can give you a fully customized game plan for you and your business. And I can't wait to see you on the call and go over your complete business strategy.